The first one is a train, and I believe that that was the first time from the kindergarten. Yeah, when I was drawing something like this. Actually, I was too lazy to make a real routine because I try to draw at least once a week some perspective line, and I found a beautiful picture of a train and realized too late that it is not about the perspective line but more about the loneliness of this abandoned headside without any windshields. I still have no idea how to show different structure of the materials. For instance, there was a lot of frost on the top of the roof of this train. But I guess I'm getting some progress with giving the volume with the hedges. Still lame. Then another one with simply 3 leaves. Actually, that was a tough one. I don't think that it is that easy to show the volume of something which is actually that flat, and to show structure and the glossy shining on the surface of it. At first glance, that looked much easier than it happened to be. My biggest issue with drawing is that actually I feel like a squirrel during the flame. I'm jumping from one item to another one and then back to the first one, and it is really difficult to focus on something, and that is actually based on the lack of education, because I have no idea what should I start from and when should I stop. I know that you should start from the lightest places on the surface and then go to the darkest. Somehow I messed it up.